Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about how to reconcile purchase order with multiple goods receipts and how we can reconcile it. For example, here purchase order number 11 has 3 entries. In GR it is 5 entries. How we can reconcile it? First thing is we have to know whether there is any discrepancy in total purchase order amount and GR amount and invoice receipt. Next step, PO with GR. For getting differences, first we have to reconcile it. SUMIFS, go to GR, select total cost of column, comma, company, entire column of company, come back to PO, select company, comma, go to GR, select enter item, comma, come back to PO, item, comma, then RAM, bracket close, enter. It has some discrepancy. GR with invoice received. Only thing is we have to add invoice number. Then only we can avoid duplicates. SUMIFS total cost of invoice, comma, select entire column of invoice ID, then first row of invoice. This is done. After that, company entire ID, go back to GR here now, company, comma, invoice, enter item, select item, comma, then RAM, select RAM, bracket close, enter. So there is no discrepancy at all. Like that we can able to reconcile with multiple POs with GRs and GR with invoices. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.